Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be doing an install on the 2002 WRX and a 2006 for some eBay lips. Excuse my messy garage. Here's the lip. It's pretty good material. Seems pretty sturdy for being eBay, so we'll see. Should be pretty straightforward. They just came with tap-in screws, and we'll see how reliable that is. So once my buddy Justin gets here, we'll go ahead and start. So we ran into a little bit of a problem the other day with the install of the lips. The 2002 lip did not fit. I'm pretty sure there's a difference between the 2002 sedan and the wagon front bumpers, so it was a little bit too big for the bumper. My buddy's gonna sell that and try to get something else. So as far as the 2006 though, that went on super smoothly. Definitely need two people. The quality is really good. It has pre-drilled holes, so that made the install super easy. Other than that, it looks really good, and I'll show you a few clips of it.